has started. As a reminder, we have this channel on the 1 hour, channel up, which is a little expanding. This one's expanding down. You could argue that we're kind of coming in towards the head and shoulders here. Let me draw the second shoulder just to make it clear. Fucking, how do I do that? See? Ellipse. You imagine this will be maybe our second shoulder. So we could be breaking out upwards, but I don't think so. I would kind of imagine that we sort of consolidate over here before breaking over this daily trend line. But anyway, on the shorter time limit, what we're looking for is, I realized I hid this last time so that it doesn't ruin the view. It's just to touch this top end and go short. We could have gone long from this point, but we're in a clear downtrend, and so we want to go for short opportunities. Just going over kind of the algorithm steps here. Already marked all the levels. It's going in the direction of the longer time frame. We do have room for a 3-to-1 risk ratio. The only part that's a little bit iffy here is that for the stop I'm using here, which is, I guess, technically not the previous high. The previous high is here. Of course, if it's up here, this is like, you can't make a 3-to-1 risk ratio. So at this point, that's the only part that's a little bit iffy. Here's the take profit down at this point. Let's zoom out and just look how that take profit looks relative to the rest of the chart. It looks a little far, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure how to feel about that piece. This would be like reaching, this would not be a head and shoulders, this would be like reaching down to this level almost, which would be kind of surprising. I'm not sure if that means I should change the risk ratio to 2-to-1 or what. I'm just going to leave as is. So, calculate the ATR. Are we past 70% in a direction? No, we just started the day, and this, Jesus Christ, we just started the day 37 minutes ago. So definitely not past 70% in any direction. We waited for a point of entry in the shorter time frame, and the position size is correct. Risking 1% of my account on here. So this will appear as a $2,750 loss, and then I'm down here as whatever 3 times that is. I feel a little anxious about this take profit being so low. That just seems really, really low. Let's zoom out. Yeah. I'm not really sure what to do here. Like if we're sticking in this range, we're sticking in this range. I guess in the daily it doesn't look so crazy. But it feels like if we go down here, we're going way lower even. And our kind of downtrend was broken in this piece, so I'm actually pretty unsure how this is going to play out.